Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are doing an affordable items makeup tutorial. First, we're starting off with ColourPop's No Filter Matte Concealer. These concealers are $6.50 on their website. Yes, you heard right, and they are bomb. I really like these concealers, so if you haven't tried it, go try it. Next, for eyeshadow, I don't know if you guys know, but Juvia's Place eyeshadows are extremely affordable. This is the Masquerade palette, and I will be using two other palettes. I'll make sure to link it down below, the ones that I'm using. And these palettes, literally, I believe the most that I saw was one for like $20. Right now, they have a sale. I'm seeing palettes for $12, $9. So if you need Christmas gifts or whatever, you guys better get on it. So yeah, another really affordable item, Juvia's Place eyeshadows. So I went back into the Afrique palette with this light green color, but it really wasn't hitting the way I needed it to hit. So I went back into the Masquerade palette and I picked up this gold shade, which had like a really nice green undertone. So for eyeliner, I went ahead and used the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. Sorry you guys, I could not find my Wet n Wild liquid liner, which is another affordable option. The Pretty Vulgar one is about $24, so I'm really sorry I couldn't find my affordable one. For primer, I went ahead and used Maybelline's Pore Eraser Primer, which is about $5 to $6 in Walmart or wherever else you shop for your drugstore products. Really cheap, really good. It reminds me of the Smashbox primer, okay? For foundation, I'm using NYX foundation, Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I'm using the shade Warm Mahogany. This retails for about $15. Listen, some of these little drugstore brands, they ain't so cheap anymore, but this is a really good one, and compared to your Estee Lauders and your $32 and your $40 Fenty foundation, it is still a really good alternative. So for concealer under the eyes to brighten, I'm going back in with that ColourPop concealer, which I actually really do like the formula of this concealer for $6. Listen, usually I like to use the dark 46 shade, but I ran out of that, so I had to use the 44 shade, which I find was a little light. It was a little pink. It had like a pinkish undertone. I went ahead and added in a little bit of 50, which had a little yellow undertone, but it was still a little bright. So I'm definitely going to correct some of this brightness with powder, so no worries if it's looking a little bright. It is, honey, it is. And I know, okay? No need to correct your girl. But we're going to correct that with powder, all right? that brightening concealer was so light, I decided to do a little liquid contouring. Here I'm using the number 75 in the same concealer by ColourPop. This is just going to add a little richness to my skin tone because at this point your girl needed it, alright? To set my under eye, I'm going in with my Airspun powder, which I got at Walmart for like $5 or $6. I saw it selling in Walgreens the other day. So anywhere that you can get your drugstore cosmetics, you can find Airspun. I really like the formula of it. It's very fine. It blends into the skin. It has a nice little baby powder scent. And only thing is it's a little messy. It's a little dusty. But other than that, it is bomb. For powder all over the place, of course, my one true love, my L'Oreal True Match in Soft Sable. This retails for about $7. Love it. Bomb. Been using it for years. So I actually got this contour, this Morphe contour powder in either BoxyCharm or Ipsy. Upon doing some research, y'all, I found out this thing is $7 and it is really good. This is in the shade Romance and I just find it's bomb. It's just really, really good. And I have a little bit of a tough time finding a good contour powder. So this is one that I would like literally rebuy. Like, it's bomb for $7. Phew, y'all ain't gotta, you ain't gotta tell me twice. I mean, who doesn't like good old 99-cent chapstick? I mean, y'all already know the vibes. For blush, I'm using this Black Radiance blush in the color Raspberry. This retails for about, it ranges between like $5 to $7 depending on where you get it. The lip liner that I used was like a 99-cent lip liner that I got at the drugstore, okay? The name behind the liner is One and Only Child. The color is Terracotta, alright? And it was like $99 or $199, okay? Listen, get on the drugstore, okay? Get on it. And for a highlighter, this is Maybelline's Master Chrome Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. Like, listen, look at it. Bomb! This, again, also retails for about $5 to $7, dependent on where you get it. Like, bomb, okay? For spray, I use the Mario Badescu Rose Water. This retails for about $12 for the large bottle, which is going to last you a really, really long time. And like the smaller trial size is about $7. For lippy, I mixed an orange ColourPop lippy with like a nude orange ColourPop lippy. And these retail for about $7 on the ColourPop website. And this is about it. This is going to complete the look. This is a very affordable look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm always here to bring you guys that affordable beat. You know what I'm trying to say? Not all the time you have to spend lots and lots of money to be bomb. Oh, wait a minute. This is my Maybelline Great Lash. This used to be like such a oldie but goodie. This retails for about, what, $7 to maybe $10. Again, depending where you buy it. Another really cheap goodie. Now, this is going to complete the video. You know what I'm trying to say? I really, really enjoyed filming this for you guys, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Like, comment, and please subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.